guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a little bit since I have sat down and filmed a video, but that is because I had a sty. I actually had 3. So I had one on this eye and it swelled my eye up and I couldn't see. And then I also had 2 on this eye that I am actually just recovering from. So I had one, it went away, and immediately, like hours later, I had another one. So my eye was swollen. I couldn't film, I couldn't wear any makeup, I couldn't do anything basically. So I thought that it would be better for me to wait to film the unboxing. So that is what we're gonna do, is we are going to be filming the fall unboxings with the Uneek squad. I am so excited to be finally doing this. I know they've done theirs. I watched a little bit, but I didn't want to be spoiled because sometimes we can have overlapping things, so I don't really want to be spoiled. But I am going to be unboxing them today, so let's go ahead and begin. So I am going to begin with Toni'S box, and this is what it looks like. And I'm going to go ahead and open that up. Hopefully I can open this up this time, because last time we did this, I couldn't open the box. I literally spent like 15 minutes trying to open the box, and I got a knife. I know Patrice texted me and was like, where did you get a knife? And I was like, my kitchen. We're doing good. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into it. Oh, this is cute. Okay. So the first thing that I have here, sorry, I'm in a weird place, is this cute little pumpkin called, and it says Happy Harvest. And it's almost Thanksgiving, so I will definitely be having this out because Happy Harvest. I think that's so cute. Thank you so much, Tony. I love little things like this too, so thank you. And then I see this, and I'm really excited. It says, Life is Perfect, and it's for little Alice. If you don't know, I have a little puppy named Alice. She's actually at daycare right now, which is why she's not home. I have to go get her in about an hour, so I thought that I would film while she was away so I could have some quiet time. Sorry guys, no Alice. Okay, the next thing is, oh, this is so cute. So she gave me salt and pepper shakers, Coca-Cola ones in the last box. And this time they're glass and they look like the retro Coca-Colas. These are so cute. I love these. I use them all the time. Like I had some friends over and I had them on the table and everyone thought it was amazing. So thank you. I got some socks and oh my gosh, they have a flamingo on it. So again, if you don't know, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I will link it down below and also on screen right here. But basically I bought this flamingo mug, and ever since then flamingos have kind of been my thing. So I got flamingo socks, which these are amazing, Tony. Thank you so much. I think this is awesome, and I will definitely be wearing them later tonight after Alice is home and we get our popcorn and we're gonna watch a movie. I get Disney Plus for free, guys. I have Verizon. I'm excited. I just haven't set it up yet. So, okay. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so this is like a little like sign, and it says good vibes only, which is so cute. Which is so cute. I don't know where I want to put this, because I definitely have like this wall here I want to put something on, and then this wall here that I want to put something on. So definitely I want to be hanging some stuff. So I might hang this either in the hallway, the bathroom, my room. There's a couple different places I could put it. Oh no, it broke. Oh, I just beheaded it. It's okay. I'll get some hot glue. Okay, so it says be a flamingo in a flock of pigeons. And I beheaded it. Here's the head. This is so cute. I'll just get some glue and tape it together because it's so cute. No, that can be fixable. That's super fixable. But thank you. I'm going to put it on, so what my camera's on right now is like this little chest. I'm going to put it on that so like I can have that whenever I'm working on my novel. And if you haven't learned about my novel, go ahead and hit the video. I will link it above. I am writing a book. I would love it if you guys supported me, and more videos about the book will be coming out soon once I have more information and once I am allowed to. So I'm super excited. All I can say now is that it's a fantasy and I'm really excited. Okay. Oh, this is awesome. So she got me some ornaments. So this is an A for Alice, which is so cute. Alice is gonna love it. She got her own stocking this year. I meant to get them last year when I had a fireplace. Never did. And so I went ahead and got some this year. So she has her own little place. So I'm gonna hang those up. And that will be in a video coming soon too. But she has her little ornament that she can hang up next to mine. Okay. What is this? Oh, is this one of those makeup things? Is this like a makeup wipe that you wet and you just... Amazing. I actually have been wanting to get one. So I think this is what this is. I'm not quite sure because it doesn't have anything on it. But I'm assuming that's what this is. Tony, correct me if I'm incorrect. I love this. It's a flamingo pen. Again, guys, I love how this is all flamingo themed. I think it's so funny. I actually saw something the other day that was flamingo. Oh, okay, so I got Alice a new collar. It's so cute. I'll insert a picture here. And then she also had the option to get one with flamingos on it. I was very tempted to get the flamingo. Not gonna lie. So, but this is super cute and I will definitely be using it to edit my novel. So excited. Oh, okay. So she got me this e.l.f. smudge pot. And I think it's just like a nice cream eyeshadow, which I love. I'm actually wearing one right now on my eyes. I'm wearing one from MAC. So it's the easiest, quickest way to do my eyeshadow when I'm in a rush. And I'll do a video on that if you guys want to see. But... oh yeah, it's like a shimmery champagne. I know that that's like a big glow, but definitely a shimmery champagne, and I absolutely love it. So I'm excited for that. I needed another one, so thank you. Tony, you did not. You were so sweet. Okay, so she got me this sticky note set from Kate Spade, and it is adorable. Let me go ahead and adjust my lighting really quick, because I feel like I'm a little bit blown out. Okay, I think that's a lot better, but do you guys see this? It's so cute. It has a big notepad, it has some sticky notes, it has some flags, and it's actually exactly what I've been needing. So thank you so much, Tony. I would definitely be getting a lot of use out of this, and I have actually been wanting to get some sticky notes and just have been too lazy to get some. Alrighty, more flamingo things. It says, find your balance. And it's a flamingo, and I believe it's a notepad. Yes! Which is, again, super handy, and I can use the pen with it to write down my little notes. Definitely will be in my purse at all times, because I like to write things down. I got another magnet, and it says, thankful, grateful, and blessed. And it's cute with all of that on there. It looks like faux wood. It's very cute. I feel like I said that with an accent. It's been a long day. What is this? Oh! Tony! She got me this. It's a little water bottle. And it says, black things are about to happen. And I have been needing to drink more water. I know that you guys probably know that. Oh my gosh. And I've been wanting a water bottle. How did you know? You knew everything. Are you God? Are you a goddess? Anyway. This is so cute. I definitely will be using this when I go to work. Everyone has a water bottle. I did not, so thank you. Okay. A keychain. Oh, this is so cute. So it says friendship on it. I don't think it's gonna catch because of the light, but it's a cute like tribal pattern, and it says friendship. So thank you. I'm excited. I hope you have one, and I haven't seen I haven't seen Patrice's video yet, so I will go ahead and watch that now and see if we all have matching keychains, which I think is so cute. This is so handy. So this is flamingo again, and it's an eyeglasses pouch. So I do wear eyeglasses. I also, it's nice, and I always lose them. So this would be really nice to have with me in case I don't want to wear contacts or anything. I can just go ahead and whip this out and put my glasses in it. Oh, this is cute too. So this is, can you tell there's a theme? There's a theme of flamingos. This is a pencil bag and it has a flamingo on it and it says "Stay Wild." It's super cute. Thank you so much, Tony. Now another pen, but it has a little flamingo charm on it. It's kind of like a pinky gold and super cute. I'll have to put that with the notepad. No. Yes? I'll put that with the Kate Spade stuff. I'll put it with the Kate Spade stuff. More socks, and they have flamingos on them and they make me so happy. I will definitely be doing some Instagram posts with me wearing these, and also I'm going to be wearing these in my next clean with me, so make sure to subscribe, but definitely love them. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And then these have polka dots on them. So cute. Thank you so much, Tony. Ooh, a little drawstring bag that has flamingos on it. I think this is so cute, and it's going to be great to hold all of my stuff that I use. I usually leave the house to edit. I get more work done that way. Typically, I'm like, oh, I don't want to read through all the stuff that I wrote. I'm a little bit weird about it, especially now that it's in editing, and I feel like I can't go back and change it. I'm very, very starting to get nervous and a little bit full of anxiety about it, and I don't want to do it. So I know if I go someplace, I usually go to my work, my old job, and I have a friend there who comes over and sees me, and he's read a chapter and he really enjoyed it. But I don't know, I'm weird about it. So I always leave the house to edit, and I say if I get to 50 pages, I can go home. And so it gives me a lot of motivation to finish editing really quickly. And then the last thing, this is so cute, is a calendar. It says "Wild and Free." And on the back it says all these little sayings. And it says, "Just try, love will set you free. Attack your dreams with fearlessness and humility. Hustle and heart will set you apart. Dream a little bigger. Always stay humble and kind. Imperfection is beauty. Be kind and be brave. Give up on giving up. Behold, be brave, be you. Follow that dream and be kind." So thank you so much, Tony. That concludes this box. I had so much fun putting their boxes together, so go over to their channel, see what they got each other, then also see what I got them, because I was so excited to do that box. I had like all the things packed up, and actually I haven't found it yet. I know I have it, but Patrice was supposed to get a radio because she won it in my giveaway, 100 subscriber giveaway, but unfortunately I don't know where that is. I still have a lot to unpack, even though it's November and I moved in August. I'm a little bit behind on unpacking, so once I find that will be heading to you, Patrice. But thank you so much, Tony. I cannot wait to see how you loved your box. I'm so excited to see that. And if you haven't already, subscribe to them. They are part of the Uneek Squad here on YouTube. We do cleaning motivation, beauty videos, and unboxings. So go ahead and give us all some love and check out their videos as well. Bye, guys.